Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make your Telegram group public using the Telegram app on your PC, following the latest update. If you want your group to be discoverable by anyone and open for new members to join, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look at your chat list on the left side of the screen and find the group you want to make public. Remember, you need to be an admin of this group to change its privacy settings. Click on the group to open the chat window. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings where you can adjust various options for your group. Inside the management menu, look for the section labeled Group Type. Click on it to enter the group type settings. Here, you'll see 2 options, Private Group and Public Group. To make your group visible to everyone on Telegram, choose Public Group. When you select this option, you might be prompted to create a unique public link for your group. This link is what people will use to find and join your group easily. After selecting Public Group and setting your public link, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply your changes and make your group public. Now, your group is open to everyone. Anyone can search for it, view the chat history, and join the conversation. Making your group public is a great way to grow your community and encourage more interaction. That's all it takes. You've successfully made your Telegram group public on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tutorials to make the most of your Telegram experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your new group members.